Hi, good morning everybody. Sina Chemical Construction Company, Qatar. Electrician, 5 people knows. Salary 2500 real. Technician, 5 people knows. Salary 2500. Welder or trick arc, 20 people knows. 3500 real. Total 35 people. Industry oil gas construction experience. Working time 10 hours. Duty it diploma plumbers. Two IT and equals. Age limit 22-48 years old. Working days 6 days in a week. Construction private. 2 years contracting. Mandatory scale is must be able to all work as relate with oil gas construction. Experience some as maintenance in JT. Gulf experience it is prepare. Indian experience also can apply for now. Good company, good salary. Apply now. Qatar Sina Chemical.